Hi, my name is Jennifer Martinez, and today I'm going to talk to you about the invention of the tow truck. How many of you have ever been in a car accident or have had your vehicle break down? Recently I was in a car accident and my car was unable to move. This inspired me to write about this billion-dollar industry and how it was started. These are actual pictures of my vehicle. The tow truck has made the way we get our damaged vehicles to repair shops a lot more convenient. In some cases, it may be an added benefit to your insurance, according to Allstate.com. However, most car insurances will not cover a vehicle that you are towing yourself if anything were to happen. The history of the tow truck. In 1916, a mechanic named Ernest Holmes from Chattanooga, Tennessee received a call to help a friend. And according to About.com, Ernest went to help a friend whose vehicle had veered off the road and flipped into a creek. After 8 grueling hours, with the help of 6 men, Ernest decided there had to be a better solution to retrieving a vehicle. The invention of the tow truck. According to an article by Daniel Frossum on the Atlantic.com website, Ernest, along with 2 friends, Elsie Decker and Elmer Brose, started by modifying a 1913 Cadillac by adding a crane and a pulley system. This did not work. Holmes needed something to stabilize the tow truck. According to thinkofthat.net, Holmes then decided to add a pair of outriggers to raise the tow truck while it lifted and pulled other vehicles. And then the first tow truck was born. This is the actual picture of the very first tow truck that sits in a museum. The pros and cons are very minimal to getting your tow truck or your vehicle towed. The pros would be convenience and safety, and the cons would be a cost. However, currently the state of Texas has a $300 fee cap and some cities have a local maximum fee that the towing companies are allowed to charge. San Antonio currently has a maximum ordinance fee of $85. So if you're charged more than $85, you can actually file for a police report and report the company that is overcharging you. In conclusion, Ernest Holmes made a huge impact on the way our vehicles are delivered to repair shops. His invention of the tow truck was created what is now a $10 billion a year industry, according to the website HeraldTribune.com. Throughout Ernest Holmes' invention and trial and error, he proved the harder you work at trying to fix your mistakes, the more successful you are. Thank you.